Hello, I am Thushantha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this lesson, you can learn about how to talk about your free time. What do you do in your free time? Let's get started. What I do during my free time. I love playing cricket when I have some free time. I play cricket with my friends. Sometimes I read books. Apart from this, I also like watching cartoons during my free time. So, whenever I get some time, I usually play, read, or watch cartoons. Okay, that's the end of the lesson. I hope you learn something about how to talk about your free time. Practice giving a lot of details and make your answer more interesting. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.